Stress ka na ba sa iyong trabaho? Hindi ka na masaya. Walang time freedom. Walang financial freedom. How to move fast galing sa pagiging empleyado, self-employed, papuntang business at investor. 23 years akong nagtrabaho at nung 2022, I decided to move from being employee to business and investor. Sa ING, you become entrepreneur and investor. How? 3 step. JOS. J, join our free financial education. Be an investor. O, own your business and be a saver. S, share what you do. Help other people to have financial freedom. To know more about, comment below. Live God, design life.